Hello, hello, everybody. It is Monday. It's Martin Luther King Day, so I have the day off from work. So does my husband. It's his birthday. Guess what we're doing today? Absolutely nothing. We're just sitting around the house relaxing. I have had this just a couple days, and I thought I would get into it. I have cut it, as you can see, because this was all like wrapped up in here, and it was a mess. And I'll show you. There's two things in here. First of all, let me tell you who this is from. I haven't been very good at information lately, so I went back and I got all the details on this one. It's from a company called Coohaul. Okay, here, I'll show you. It's Coohaul. Coohaul. Okay. They just popped up on, I don't know, Facebook or somewhere, Instagram, I don't know. So I thought I'd try them. I only ordered two things. They did have a buy four, get one free. Okay, I could have done that, but I didn't want to get 5 paintings. You can get free shipping over $35. I didn't do that either, but my shipping was $6. Here's what I like. The prices were excellent. I have one item here that's a 30 by 40, which was $5.97. And I had another one that I upgraded from the size that was listed, because sometimes you can up it to a larger size, and the prices didn't change that much. So it started out at the $5.97 for 30 by 40. I popped it up to 45 by 60, and it was $10.99. So, I mean, they had really good prices on stuff, you guys. And some of them you could get a larger size. Not everything, but some things you could. So I have taken these out of the bag just to make sure I knew what it was and what order it was, because you can't tell where it's from. And my tracking didn't really tell me which item it was either. So here's the small one, the 30 by 40, and that is fine. But this guy here, well, I'm not certain if it was in the bag this way or just in my mailbox this way. Uh-oh. Now I'm gonna assume that it's not really gonna harm it, because these are poured glue. So I'm gonna assume that we can flatten it out and see, and it'll be all right. Yeah, okay. We'll save that one for a minute later. All right, let's look at the small one first. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. I don't know whose fault that may be, but Okay, so this is just your typical kind of canvas. This is not going to be 30 by 40, and I believe it would tell you. It tells you that on their website too. It tells you what the canvas size is, and then it tells you what the drill point area is, and it's always a little bit smaller than the full canvas. Okay. All right. Let me get that out of the way a little bit. I've rolled this. Okay. All right. So here's what we have. It's really pretty. Super pretty. It's like a peace sign. And I think in the middle is supposed to be, well, let's see. No, I guess the butterflies are on, here's the thumbnail. The butterflies are on the outside of the peace sign. Like there's a butterfly down here, one over here, one up there. So the butterflies are around the peace sign. Here's one. You can see it pretty clear. Here's one. Here's another one. And then a big flower rose in the center. It's all purples and blues. And some pink. Very pretty. All right. So, it's poured glue. It's nice and sticky. We can make this lay a little flatter by pulling the plastic back a little bit. That'll help flatten it out. It's got lots of plastic, okay? It's got lots of plastic on it. So let's just see if we can flatten it a little bit. I've been putting these under my mattress. I laughed when I heard people say that the first time, but I do have a spare bedroom, and I, throw them in there under the mattress, and it. All right, so there it is. Super pretty. Now you can tell that's not 30 by 40. So my guess is it's going to be at least 5 centimeters short either direction. So let's measure it and see. And their website does tell you. It will tell you. So it's only 22. It's even smaller than that. 22 by 31.5. All right, so yeah, it's not the 30 by 40. Okay, so here's what I've noticed. You have your legend over here, got your picture. It's got 33 colors. It's got a lot of colors for this small thing, and it does have DMC codes over here. All right, there's all the DMC codes. Not a black in sight. The drill field is really clear. I'll get you right up there. They seem to be pretty normal kinds of symbols, lots of letters, some numbers, and a few symbols. This one's interesting right here. Can you see this? I don't know what that thing is. It's an interesting symbol. I've never seen that one before. But it's mainly letters, numbers, and a few symbols. All right. 33 colors. Wow. There's a lot of colors on that. But clear, clear, clear. I don't think anything's going to be too confusing. And you notice they're on a square, a colored square. And some of them have white lettering on the darker symbols, and the lighter symbols have black lettering. I love it when they do that. I don't know if it's a square painting or not. Let's look at the toolkit. I'm not even going to take it out of here. Oh, look at this. I gotta say, I like that. It comes with a 4-placer. Yay, I like that. Nice big chunk of wax, boat, and some baggies. Love the 4-placer. It is my favorite. So let's see. Okay, it's not square drills. They're round. So there's no circles around the symbols, which is nice. Just the colored space. And this is how they come. Here's what you get. You get individual baggies like this. All right. So like, you're going to get 554, and then here's another one. So you don't know how many bags you're supposed to have, but I guess as long as you have some of everything, we're going to just kind of assume they're all here. So I will inventory all of this later, but it's got beautiful colors. Just, there's 155. Yep, both of those are 155. These are actually different, 796 and 797, but look at how close they are to each other. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Oh my goodness. Well, that's why I picked it, because of the colors. Purples, pinks. Love this teal color. It's one of my favorites. And look at the drills, look super, super nice. I'm clearly not going to open these right now and show them to you because they're all in these sealed up bags, but gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I guess there's a 550, and then what's that one? 327. So beautiful, beautiful colors. All purples, teals, blues, and a little bit of pink. We got some little pinks here. Look. Super pretty. I mean, they look really nice, you guys. So that's how their drills come. All right. And that canvas is, pretty small. But, if you go and read the descriptions, they'll tell you their sizes of their drill area. Straight up, they tell you. So it's not like it's, a big surprise or anything if you go and read it. All right. So there's that one. Let's move that one aside. Then we'll get into this bad boy. Oy, oy, oy. Okay, so we're going to hope that since this is a poured glue canvas, this will straighten out okay. We don't have to worry about tape wrinkling up on us, so it's heavy. So this is the one that I upgraded from the size that was advertised, and I got this one in a, let's see. This one is supposed to be 45 by 60, all right? So let's see how much of that is canvas and how much of that is the picture. Let me just tell you right off the bat, before I even show you this one, this is a picture that I have looked at so many times. I can't even tell you how many times I've looked at this. And then I believe most recently I saw Allie's Pantry and Crafts unbox this one. I think she got, I don't know, maybe hers was, I don't know what company it was, but I saw her get one of these. It was like a swap that she did or something. And I was like, I still love that painting. I still want it. So I got it. So here we go. Let's see how big it actually is. First of all, before I unroll it, let's just do a little drill field. The drill field on these is beautiful, you guys. There is nothing wrong with the drill field. All right, see? Perfect. Again, just the colored background. No circles around the symbols or anything. All right, here we go. This is what I got. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. It's only got 29 colors, but yes. Look at it. Look how good that looks, you guys. I think it'll flatten out just fine. Look at the geese here. Look at the cardinal on the lamppost. Oh my goodness, there's bird in the tree over here, you can see. I have loved this image for so long. You can even see the snowman back there. Oh my goodness, I have loved this for a long, long time. Let me show you the thumbnail. Here's the thumbnail. All right. Oh my goodness. I've loved this, oh yeah, for a while. It's only got 29 colors, and look, it's mostly letters with just a couple symbols. Oh my goodness. Yes, I love it. So I think it'll flatten out just fine. It's got so much extra plastic. Both of them have. I think a little bit of time, you know, underneath the mattress will get this to flatten out okay. I mean, oh look, somebody wrote 74 on the back of it. I am not sure why, but it has 74. So it's a little wrinkled, but I mean, you might be able to run a little iron over that, or, you know, some steam. I wish I had a steamer. Sometimes I wish I had a steamer. You know those steamers like you clean things with and stuff like that? I think those would work fantastic for diamond painting canvases, but I love it. Look how that is going to turn out. This one I want to measure. I'm pretty sure it's not going to be 45 by 60, but let's see how big it actually is. Maybe it'll turn out like 45 by 50 or something like that. Let's see. Well, I need centimeters, not inches. So this is 51. Okay, so that should have been the 60, so it's 51 that way. And then this direction should have been 45, but it is 37. So see, the whole canvas is 45. And then this way, of course, the whole entire canvas is not quite 60, but like 59 and a half. But they do tell you. It's not like I didn't know that they were going to run a little smaller. That's why I went as big as I could. I got this one as big as I could. And it only marked up, like I said, from like $5.97 was the starting price, and I went up like 3 sizes, and it only went up to $10.99. I expected it to jump to like $35 or something, but it didn't. Same toolkit, another 4-placer. Yes, give me the 4-placers. All right, I'm gonna, well, yeah, let's turn this one over real quick and we'll show you some drills. It's got a bunch of drills. It does. It's got the number on here. Look, it's got a little whoop, we checked you off. 1073, is that what it is? 1073, R4, that's what it is. Yep. So you can't mistake those drills. They go with this painting. Oh, it's even over the seal there. So what do we get? What do we get? What do we get? Just dump them out. Just dump them out. Let's just browns, peaches. Ooh, what do you think that's for? I mean, we do have a lot of snow. There you go. So grays, browns, peaches, some reds for the barn, a little bit of green. There's our colors. I mean, it's definitely a muted kind of palette. Some pretty pink though. It's gorgeous pink. Not sure where that goes, but it's pretty. So that's what we get, guys. Grays, tans, browns, some reds for the barn. There you go. And then this whole package of white. Yeah, a whole package of white. So that's how they come. They're pretty nice. I mean, I don't have any complaints at this point. The drills look really good. I mean, they really do. They look really nice. It's this diamond. I've gotten these before with this diamond on the back. Yeah. And they all seem to be, you know, pretty good. So look, there doesn't seem to be any problems with these drills. Look at those. They look really, really nice. So there you go, you guys. That's what I got from Coohaul. I've gone and I've looked, and they have some really nice stuff that I'd like. I'll probably order from them again, you know. I might try to do the small one up first just to see how it turns out, because I can do it pretty quickly, you know, because of the size. So there you go, guys. That's what it is. You want to see the picture again? I'll inventory these. Let's make a mess. There, that was fun. But there's the picture. Isn't it pretty? The detail, I mean, the detail on that is really good. I think it's going to turn out just fine. So I'm pleased so far. Let's see what they look like when we put some drills on there. Probably that pink's going to go up here in the sky. Yeah, we got a little sunset or sunrise, one of the two. Anyhow, there's what I got. Got that one, and got this cool purpley peace sign over here. So yeah, whoops, look what I just did. They got lots of plastic on them, you guys, lots of plastic. All right, so check them out, Coohaul, all right? And I will link these below. So yeah, check them out. The prices are good. I mean, this is what you get, okay? Good prices. Buy 4, get 1 free. And you probably get free shipping at that point. I don't know. Anyhow, thanks for watching the video, you guys. Check them out, and hit the like button, subscribe button, share, all those cool things. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.